Walkthrough animations are a dynamic way to present your project. They show your project from the viewpoint of a camera moving through space, as if you were walking through the building model or building site. You create a walkthrough in two main steps. First, you define the path you want the camera to follow. Then you adjust the camera target and position, as needed, to create the visual experience you want. To define the camera path for a walkthrough, click the Walkthrough tool on the View tab. In this example, we will create a flyby of the exterior of the building, so we use the Site Plan view to define the camera path. Click points in the view to establish the path. Use the Offset parameter on the Options bar to adjust the height of the camera as you place points. When you finish defining the path, click Finish Walkthrough. A walkthrough branch is added to the project browser. Open the walkthrough view to preview the walkthrough animation. The view is static and displays one frame of the animation. To adjust what is visible in the camera view, open an elevation view and a site plan view. Then tile these views along with the walkthrough view. Select the crop region of the walkthrough and click Edit Walkthrough. The frame control on the options bar is set to 1 to bring the camera back to the beginning position of the walkthrough. Activate the site plan view and set the controls to Active Camera on the options bar. Use the grip controls on the camera to adjust the target position and the view depth of the walkthrough camera. The walkthrough view is updated dynamically as you adjust the camera. Use the grips to adjust the crop frame of the walkthrough camera as needed to get the results you want. Click the Edit Walkthrough tab and use the playback controls to advance the camera to the next keyframe. Make camera adjustments as needed. Continue making adjustments for all keyframes of the walkthrough. In some cases, you may find it necessary to adjust the height of the target point of the camera or the camera itself. To adjust the height of the target point, use the Elevation or Section view to adjust the camera target point up and down. If the height of the camera needs to be adjusted, change the control selection on the options bar to Path and use the grip points to adjust the path of the camera. In this example, the path of the camera is adjusted up to get the camera position above the trees. After you have completed modifications to all of the keyframes of the animation, set the frame control back to 1 and use the playback controls to preview the animation. You now have a compelling presentation of your project.